If Microsoft Word is giving you the error that a file is corrupt and cannot be opened, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help you recover the document and get it opening again. This is a common issue, and in many cases, Word has a built-in repair option that can save the file without you needing any extra software. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word launches, go to the top left corner and click File, then choose Open, and then click Browse. This will let you manually locate the document that is showing the corruption error. Now navigate to the folder where the file is saved and select the corrupted document. Before you open it normally, look at the Open button. Next to that button, there is a small arrow. Click that arrow to see more options. From the menu that appears, choose Open and Repair. This is the key step in the process because Word will try to repair any damage in the file and recover as much content as possible. Give Word a moment to work. Depending on the size of the document and the level of corruption, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. If the repair is successful, the file should open and you'll be able to save it right away under a new name to protect the recovered version. I always recommend saving a copy immediately so you don't lose the repaired version later. If the file still will not open or if Word keeps showing the same error, the next thing to try is disabling Protected View. Protected View is a security feature in Word, but sometimes it can block files that are actually safe and prevent them from opening properly. To do that, click File again, then go to Options. In the Word Options window, select Trust Center on the left side and then click Trust Center Settings. Inside Trust Center Settings, choose Protected View. You will see 3 checkboxes there. Uncheck all 3 options. After that, click OK to save the changes. Now, close Microsoft Word completely and restart it. Once Word opens again, try opening the corrupted document one more time using File, Open, Browse, and if needed, the Open and Repair option again. In many cases, turning off Protected View allows Word to access the file properly and clear the error. If the document opens, make sure to save it as a fresh copy right away. You can use Save As and give it a new file name so you preserve the repaired version separately from the original corrupted file. That way, if anything happens later, you still have a working copy. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix the Microsoft Word error where a file is corrupt and cannot be opened using Word's built-in repair tools and Protected View settings. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful computer fixes just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.